Hello everyone, it's me again, and as you see it's the same tools. I just took it from the LED, turned down to be fitting in the chuck because it's quite too big, and using it again for different the position of the threading as well. It became handy even on the drill. As you see, this is a little hole. It has to go a group screw in it to tie it in spindle of the handle. Then so it's again the same. Just tightening it in the little vices. It's coming up and down itself. Doesn't need it to turn the drill. And again, just twisting it. There you go. Just resting it on the vise, and otherwise it's falling down. Maybe it could be done in here, group screw as well, and as you're lifting it you can just tie it in till you're changing it some parts. But sure, for me it works like that, and now it's threaded in nicely, full way in. And this is the little group screw. That always work. Okay. This is it. And this comes in. Proper key oil. There you go. This was tight. This spindle is still group screws. Little bit too long. I have to cut down because the wall of the handle it's only 4.2 of mil, and they are 10 mil long. Then I have to make tool again to screw in this one and just turn down a little bit, make shorter on the lead probably, because otherwise with the grinder I think so it will be damage the thread and hardly to go in. And while it's the brass, this has to be everything perfect, and otherwise brass is much softer like a steel and it just breaks the thread. Then it's again with the tooling, make it yourself as well and enjoy good work. Thanks for watching.